What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to give Duolingo English test online. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Duolingo. After that, you will see this first official website of Duolingo. Simply give it a click or you can directly click on Duolingo English test if you already have on Duolingo. So after coming on this page, if you are new to Duolingo, just simply click on Get Started. Or if you already have an account on Duolingo, click on I already have an account and then log in with that email and password. I don't have an account, so I will just click on Get Started. Now, after that, come back to Google and then click on Duolingo English Test. And after that, click on Continue from here. Uh, this is our native language, but you won't be able to understand it. So I will just translate it in English for you. This says, what interests you to give this English test? So these are the options like if you're graduate admission or if you are a job application or promotion or you are from middle high school admission. And if something is not from these options, you can choose this. And then you have the undergraduate admissions. So I will choose this one, like none of these, and then click on continue. And now it will ask you when you want to give the test, like within 1 month or more than 6 months, or if you have not thought for now, or between 1 to 6 months. So I'll click on I don't have decided yet. And then it will ask you how did you find us, so you can choose from where did you find the Duolingo. After that, click on continue. Now from here you can practice for free and then you need to purchase the test. So from here click on purchase the test and then you can give the Duolingo English test online. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.